Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today once again I am Vidyasagar is present in front of class 6 to discuss subject maths. The chapter name is multiples and factors. So please like the channel, share and subscribe it. Now let us start the discussions. In this chapter, first of all I have solved exercise 2.1 as here in the first questions we have to write the expressions of the given questions. You have to read as the first question number first is given as 7 is divided by the difference of 12 and 5. 7 is divided by the difference of 12 and 5. So first we have to find the difference 12 minus 5, then we have to divide it with 7. So we have to put bracket here, and in the second questions we have to write we have to multiply the sum of 9 and 4 with 6, and we have to subtract the difference of 9 and 2 from the sum of 13 plus 12. Understood? And in question number D we have to add the product of 5 and 2 with the difference of 18 and 15. So these are the solutions and these are the methods to write the expressions. Now look at the here second question. We have to simplify, and we have to use the rule of odd-mass, BODMAS. Okay. So here there are many questions in which I have solved question number Q. Here it is given that 9 plus a square bracket and curly bracket 2 of 35 divided by a small bracket round bracket 3 plus 5 minus 1 curly bracket plus 15 minus 2 then a square bracket. So first of all we have to solve the round bracket, then we get 7. After that we have to apply odd mass and we have to do off operations. That's why we multiply here 2 with 35 and obtain 70, then divided with 7 and add with 15 13, then we get 10. 70 divided by 7 to get 10 and add 13 to it, and then we remove the square bracket and get 23 and add it to 9, so that we get 32. This is the main solutions and this is our answer. Please understand these things. Now here I am going to explain what is factors and multiples. So as we know the factors, the number is the number that divides the given number exactly is called as factor of a given number. If the factors of 8, for example factor of 8 1 2 4 8, for here it means 1 can divide it, 2 can divide it, 4 can divide it, 8 can divide it, except these number no any number can divide it exactly. As for example 3 cannot divide it. Divide means remainder is 0. Any number exactly divide any numbers, it means for example take here 9 is divisible by 3, it means 3 divided 9 exactly by leaving remainder 0. Here 0 is remainder, so that we can say that 9 is divisible by 3. So 3 is factor of 9. Here I have written these things. And factor of 10 is 1 2 5 and 10. It means 1 2 5 and 10 can exactly divide 10. So 1 2 5 and 10 are called as factors of 10. Now what is multiples? You know about multiples. What is it? Multiples, it is a number obtained by the multiplying the given number with any natural number. When a given number is multiplied with any natural number, and the product obtained in this way is called as multiples of that given number. Understood? As for example, here multiples of 8 is equal to 8, 16, 24, 32. These are obtained by multiplying 8 with the natural number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on respectively. In the same way, multiples of 10 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. How is it to obtain? When we multiply 10 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on respectively. So these are called multiples. Okay. Note, 8 is equal to 1 into 8. Here 1 into 8 or 2 into 4 or 4 into 2 or 8 into 1. These are the factors, and by multiplying these number, what we obtained? We obtained multiples. So 8 is multiples and 1, 2, 4, 8 is factors. Understood? Try to understand these things completely. Okay. Now, one thing you have to noted: the smallest multiple of a number is number itself. The smallest multiple of any number is the number itself, and the smallest factor of any number is 1. Always it has to keep you in mind. Now, properties of multiples. What is the main properties of multiples? I am going to explain about it. Every number is a multiple of 1 and itself. Every number. Any number you can take as example, that will be the multiples of 1 and itself. As we multiply when it 1, then the number comes, and when the number is multiplied with 1s, then also the number comes. So that we can write every number is a multiple of 1 and itself. As for example, 9 is a multiple of 1 and 9. When 1 is multiplied by 9, then we get 9. And the second properties of multiples is every multiples of a number is either greater or equal to the given number. Every multiples of any number is either greater than or equal to the given number. But in any case, it is not possible for a multiple to becomes less than the given number. As for example, the multiples of 3 is equal to 3, 6, 9. Here what we can see is 3 is less than 3. Not, never. Never it may be possible. And one thing you have to remember is minus 3 is multiple of 3. No, our answer will be no. Okay. So why? Because minus 3 is less than 3. Understood? That's why I have write here 3 is equal to 3, then it will be multiple, and the smallest multiple of any number is the number itself. You can say in these things in other words. And 6 is also greater than 3, 9 is greater than 3. All the multiples will be greater than 3 or it will be equal to 3. Okay. And fourth property is a number has uncountable number of multiples. Infinite number of multiples can be found of any number. As for example, multiples of 4 is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on. 4,000, 8,000, etc. 4 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 4 crore, 8 crores and so on. Whatever you can calculate. So these are the explanation about the factors and multiples. In the next video I will meet again with some another properties of factors and another video. Till that I want to say goodbye, but before leaving the classroom I want to suggest you have to solve HW as given here. You have to solve exercise 2.1. in the next video I will discuss about it if you face any problems in it. Till that I want to say goodbye. Thank you. See you.